Hello, dear students. Let's start a new topic. The gas equation and STP or NTP. This topic from chapter 7, study of gas laws of class 9th in subject chemistry. Let's open your chemistry book and come on the page number 119. Let's come on the topic, the gas equations and the relationship between pressure, volume and temperature. Now, the gas equation gives the simultaneous effect of pressure and temperature changes on volume of a given mass of gas. So, the gas equation gives the simultaneous effect of temperature and pressure on a particular mass of the volume of a gas. So, it gives the simultaneous effect of the temperature and pressure on the volume of a particular mass of the gas. Let's see the next one. Hence, so this law or this equation, the gas equation, derived from the combining of Boyle's law and Charles' law equation. So as you know that the Boyle's law, at constant temperature of a particular amount of a gas, the volume inversely proportional to the pressure according to the Boyle's law, and in the Charles' law, the volume directly proportional to the pressure if volume directly proportional to the temperature if pressure is constant. So by combining the both equation, let's see, according to the Boyle's law, be inversely proportional to the pressure if temperature is constant. It means that PV equal to constant K. According to the Charles law, be directly proportional to the temperature if pressure is constant. By combining the both equations, PV equal to constant K and V by T equal to constant. So by combining the both equations, Boyle's equation and Charles equation, finally we concluded that after solving, PV by T equal to also constant, and this constant PV by T constant equal to also constant. PV by T is equal to constant. Let suppose for a given mass of a gas, the initial pressure, volume and temperature are P1, V1 and T1 respectively. P1, V1 and T1. So initial pressure, volume and temperature is P1, V1 and T1 for a given mass of the gas. And this pressure, volume and temperature changes, and that becomes P2 final volume, final pressure, V2 final volume and T2 final temperature. Then the P1 V1 in the first case, P1 V1 by T1 equal to constant, and in the second case, in the final case, the P2 V2 by T2 equal to K constant. Therefore, P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2, because both are constant. So P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2, and this equation P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2 is called the combined gas equation. This equation is called the combined gas law equation, and the gas law equation is applicable to a fixed mass of a gas. So if the fixed mass of a gas, then the mass of the gas is fixed, then that equations, that is the gas law equation, is applicable for that gas. Now the some point here is that if the temperature and pressure of a given mass of a gas are changed simultaneously, temperature and pressure if a given mass of the gas changed simultaneously, the resultant volume is so adjust that PV by T is remain constant. If P and T changes, pressure and temperature changes, then PV by T, the volume of a gas changes such that the PV by T should be constant. Now the next point, the numerical value of the constant K is independent of the nature of the gas. So it do not depend on the nature of the gas. That means it is applicable for hydrogen, helium, lithium, all type of the gas, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. But it depends on the quantity or the mass of the gas under which they consideration. Now the next and last topic, standard or normal temperature and pressure. In the short form, you can say that STP and NTP, standard or normal temperature and pressure. Standard temperature pressure, NTP means normal temperature pressure. The volume of a sample of a gas depend on the temperature and pressure. As you know that the volume of the sample of a gas depends on the temperature and pressure according to the combined gas law equation or Boyle's law and Charles law also. So the volume of different gas sample can be compared only under the same condition of temperature and pressure, because it's directly related to the temperature and pressure. So it's related to the temperature and pressure for a particular volume of a gas. So volume of a different gas sample can be compared only under the same condition of temperature and pressure. Suppose the volume of hydrogen and the volume of oxygen, if you take in, then the temperature and pressure should be similar. Then you will compare how the volume of the hydrogen and temperature can be changed at a particular temperature. So it is therefore convenient to choose a standard temperature and pressure as a reference points. So our scientists feel necessary to realize necessity to choose the standard temperature and pressure, and that standard temperature and pressure is called the reference point also. The standard temperature and pressure by the general convention are 0 degree Celsius on the Celsius scale and 273 Kelvin on the Kelvin scale, and 1 atmospheric pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 760 millimeter of Hg or 760 torr. So STP, standard temperature and pressure, by general convention are 0 degree Celsius. Temperature is 0 degree Celsius and the pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure, that means 760 millimeter of Hg. The current IUPAC standard is referred as normal temperature and pressure. The STP, initially it was considered as the STP, but the current IUPAC standard, it refers that the normal temperature and pressure. And the STP, standard temperature pressure, equal to 0 degree Celsius and 1 bar or 100 kilopascal pressure, whereas NTP equal to 20 degree Celsius and 100 kilopascal or 1 bar. So pressure remains same, but the value of the temperature at NTP becomes changed from 0 degree Celsius to the 20 degree Celsius. So now consider a 20 degree Celsius NTP normal temperature. While expressing a specific volume of a gas, it is necessary to specify its pressure as well as its temperature. This is all about the relation between temperature, pressure and volume of a particular gas, and that means the gas law equation, and the standard value of the STP, the standard value of the temperature and pressure, that means STP or NTP, or the old convention and also the IUPAC conventions. So this is all about this topic. So thank you. Have a nice day.